Okay, here's a few shots of me harvesting some Mamey sapote. This tree is absolutely awesome. There were hundreds of Mameys on this tree. Truly a very generous tree, and very happy that we were picking it. Trees like that, they really do. Okay, this is the fruit haul. Wow, what you see before you is 52 pounds of Mamey sapote. These average about a pound to 2.5 pounds per, and this is such an awesome fruit. It's kind of like a sweet potato, but it's sweeter right off the tree. Now you've got to let this ripen. It gets very soft. And you can just cut it in half and spoon it out and eat it. It's delicious. Or you can make ice cream out of it with bananas, freeze it. You could even dehydrate it. It's 10 times better than candy, especially for your kids. But anyway, how did we get this? Now, I got this at no cost. I got it for free, okay? Now, if you go online and you punch in tropical fruit, there's a place in Miami that will sell these to you. And basically, with the shipping and everything, and I'm in Florida, it would cost me about $8.72 per pound, okay? I've got 52 pounds here. That means right here I have $453 worth of Mamey. How did I get it for free? Very simple. I asked if they would, my wife and I met this person years ago. We've become friendly, and we knocked on their door and said, we'd like to purchase some of their Mamey. And she ended up giving it to us. So, and we've maintained a nice relationship. We give her things, and it's fantastic. $453 of basically some of the best fruit you can get on the planet for free. You can't beat it. So this is what I'm telling you. You need to reach out to people wherever you live. And if they have fruit trees, maybe just in the summer or fall or whatever, reach out to people and say, hey, would you mind selling me some fruit? Because usually they will sell it cheaper than the store, and many times they will give it to you gladly because they don't want to see the fruit just wasted on the ground rotting. So what a haul we had. And I'll show you a lot more about this fruit. This is one of the best. It's so sweet and high in calories. I mean, you eat one of these and you are satiated. So, like I say, you can just spoon it out. You can make nice cream, or you can dehydrate it. You can freeze it for the ice, the nice cream. But anyway, the point I'm trying to make is reach out, search out fruit. You can find it and you can get a good deal. But you have to be willing to get out there and do it, okay? Please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up a new video. All the best. We're going to do some serious fruiting up, baby. Yeah.